Want to make your PowerPoint presentation interactive and professional? In this video, I will show you how to add clickable hyperlinks in PowerPoint step by step. So you can open website, jump into slides, open files, or even start an email with just one click. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. Today I will show you how to add hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. This trick is super useful for presentation, business meetings, school projects and clickable navigation slides. So friend, first thing first, here we are going to open PowerPoint presentation. So here you can see that this is my PowerPoint presentation. And here we are going to add hyperlink. Okay, so first thing first, we select object first. For example, this is the text. Actually I want to give the hyperlink of it. Then what I will do, I can give two methods to hyperlink. First method, you simply click on this insert button and here you will see links. Okay, you simply click on this links and here you can do many things, right? For example, if you want to create new document link, you can simply click on that, so your file will open. Here I'm going to share with you simple and easy steps to do that. Okay, so first thing first, here we are going to add hyperlink of website. Okay, for example www.google.com. okay, and then simply click on OK button. So here friend, you can see this text is linked with the website. Okay, whenever I click on this link, I will redirect to that website. Okay, how this will look, you simply press Control key and then enter. So what happens, your website will open which linked with that. Okay, so simply close it. How we can test the hyperlink? Press Control key from your keyboard and hold it, and then click left key of your mouse, so you will redirect to the google.com, which is already I have added hyperlink. Okay, so friend, this is the first method. Now I'm going to share with you how to hyperlink with another thing, like for example any file or notepad. You can simply, first of all, I'm going to link this image. Okay, what I will do, simply right click and here I'm going to copy the path. Okay, so this path actually I have copy, and here I'm going to share with you how you can do that. So friend, right now we are going to link this text with image. Whenever I click on this text, automatically that image will open. So what I will do, simply select the text and then right click on it and you will get this hyperlink option. You simply click on it and then you will see this option. This is browse for file. You simply click on it and then we are going to desktop and particular folder, and here you will see, just click on this file type and you will see all. Okay, and here we are going to click on this preview button, so I get this particular image. Actually I want to link this one, then you simply click on it. Okay, and click on this OK button. So friend, whenever you will click, for example your keyboard key, press Control key and hold it and then press your mouse left key. So what happened, that image will automatically open. So friend, by this way you can easily hyperlink any file, any website and any slides by this way. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.